I just started recording. Uh, so starting with how can we define a variable, guys?
Just giving a is full 10. Like if you want an integer to do, no
Mhm.
need to give any type, just a is full 10.
Okay, how can I define an empty variable? Anyone?
Z, I suppose.
No. You can keep, z is equal to. You don't need
Okay.
to give any variable value into it. If you define z equal to, that would work. It's an empty variable. You can use that z whenever you want. Okay. So what is the dollar symbol? What? How can you get a value from a variable?
By using dollar symbol, right?
Echo dollar the input.
Yeah, that's what the third line is just saying that to get a variable value from a variable, you need to use dollar in front of the variable name. Okay, and I said right, there should not be any spaces. Okay, if a equal to 10, you should not keep any spaces in between the variable and the value. Okay, and what else? Try to practice by giving only lower case. Why? Because there are some system variables like path, user, which are defined using capital letters. So better to use lower case variables. Okay, lower case names for variables.
Mm.
And if you want to retrieve any value from a variable, but you should practice by let's say, instead of using dollar variable name, you can use dollar braces variable name. Let's try. I just want to rewind you guys, remind you all the concepts we discussed. So let's say a equal to 10, s is equal to 10. Okay, let's say echo dollar s. This is the best practice. You try to use flower braces and quotes. This is a best practice, guys. Try to use dollar brackets and double brackets. Double brace, double quotes uh, with respect to variable name. Are you clear? So what else? There is another way to give inputs. Okay, I just want to show you. I didn't show this. So let's say vi input dot sh bin bash. Let's say uh, read read and prompt. I'm prompting with a message. Okay, I'm just prompting with a message called let's say, please enter the value, and defining the variable. Let's say my variable name is value. Okay, I am echoing dollar value. The best practice is use double quotes, dollar, sorry, do, oh, dollar and brackets, and give the name. Here my variable is value. Are you clear? I am just taking the input from user. This is a one way wherein you can prompt with a good message to the user, and you can retrieve the value by using dollar symbol. So let's try to change the mode.
So spelling of values.
What I,
Microval, I guess.
Yeah.
oh yeah. So if I run it, chmod plus x input dot sh, and if I execute it, see, it just prompted me with message, and let's say I gave 30. See, gave me the output. Are you clear how you can pass an input by using read? -p is for prompting a user with a certain text, and we have the printf statement, right? In C, right? C, or even Java, I think we have. Okay.
In C, in Java
Yeah.
system.out.println.
Yeah, println.
In C it is printf.
In C, print. Yeah. So simply, same as that, you can use read and prompt a user with a value. So we are done with how you can use read. Okay. So I want to show you a very good way, to understand. Let's say you have a big script. You want to know, where you have a certain error. In which portion of the script you have an error. You can use a debug mode, wherein you can get a prompt about the errors, and you'll get each step execution, and you can use this debug mode to diagnose where exactly you have mistake, kind of thing. So you need to use option called -x for debug mode. Let's say which script we had created right now. What is the script? Yeah, input, right? Yeah, input.sh. See, it just gave me, you can see this is the first line, right? After execution, you're getting the you should pass the value. See, after the next step is it is prompting echo, right? It is showing each step execution. Are you clear? Each step execution you'll get, and you can understand where exactly you are failing. Let me add some error, like let's say instead of value, let's give some variable name and print. If I do this, see, you can understand where exactly you're having an issue. Here, that value is not, it's not picking. So you can use -x, and there is also called -v option. This verbo C. It will give you. It's similar to the debug mode, but it will give you this thing, like what all functions, system functions that are using, or let's say, how can I say, it will it is same, one of the option that you can use for debugging your script. So let's try by giving some value. See, it even prompted with the verbose, like we have a verbose option, right? The same way you can get the description where exactly the entire each execution, each step execution, you can get the description. So -x and -v you can use for you know debugging a particular script. And there is another option, if you open the script, let's say we have a we can even set the -x option inside the script. Let's say I want to diagnose only echo statement. I can use set -x, and I will close it by hyphen set plus x. Okay, this is one way. Like, set will use the options, and it will execute for that particular portion of a script. So if I run this, you see like input, let's say 10. Let's say, I see, you just prompted me the this particular portion of the script. So if you have a loop, you think that this loop is going to fail. You want to understand where exactly it is breaking. You can use this debug mode. Okay, is everyone clear?
Yeah.
Cool. So did I explain about return value, guys?
No.
Oh, sorry. Where's this guy? Uh, okay. It's in another slide, I believe. Yeah, it's in another. Okay, before going to that, I want to explain you a simple example. See, anyone can explain what exactly this program does?
Yeah, sir.
Who is this?
My name is Mohan, sir.
Wait, Mohan Reddy.
Yeah, sir.
So let's give other guys a chance. I'll ask one guy, like yeah. See, Vinay. Hello, Vinay. Okay, Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
So just explain me what you understand in this script.
Okay. In this script, we are actually um, using the value of date in the date variable, and we are taking the value of topic from command line, so that is $1, and we are assigning it a topic.
Okay.
And we are also using the value of file name. I mean, in $home, $home and dollar.
Yeah, I didn't explain
Yeah,
it. Dollar home is
yeah,
nothing but a system variable. It will give
okay,
you your user home. Let's say I have a Raj Kiran user, right? I have
okay,
home / Raj as my home, right?
yes,
So
working directory.
it will give you the home directory. Yeah.
Okay. So
So
$home gives a home directory, and $topic. We are accessing the value of topic.
yes.
So we are writing to a text file in that particular location. And again, we are assigning the total location to the file name.
Mm-hmm.
And then later on, by using read option, we are asking some value from command line, which is stored in note variable.
Okay.
And if this and the value from the note, if $note, the value of that note.
You tried this condition without
Yes.
any value.
Okay.
Yeah. What was the purpose of it? Okay, tell me what you understand. I'll re-explain this. Yeah.
Yes. Just give me a second. Okay. I understand. It means that we have provided some valid input or not.
Oh, okay.
$note.
Okay. Yeah. So what is the next step?
So the value of the value of note which will be passing from command line, it will be validating in the square brackets.
Mm-hmm.
Then if it is right, we are going to that echo command and we are appending the same content in the file name, dollar file name. So we are appending the same content in that file.
Okay.
And then after all, we are displaying some general statement using echo.
Okay.
It means it is saved.
Yeah.
And if the above if condition fails, we are directly going to else saying that no input, note wasn't saved, which means no valid input wasn't given.
Cool. That's it.
Fi indicates end of the loop.
Yeah, that's it. So the main goal of this program is to check whether user gave any input or not. If user gives an input, based on his input, we are creating a file and we are adding a date and some note to the text. Are you clear? let's say depending on user input is nothing but topic. Let's say I want to create notes for let's say uh, how can I say let's say I want to create notes for science subject. I will run this script along with science, then it will create a file name called science notes, and it will ask me what notes you want to add in that file. After if I give the input only, it will store in that file. If I didn't give any input, it's going to throw me error like no input is given and no notes was saved. Is everyone clear? Uh,
Yes.
Yes.
okay, do you want me to try, or so I want to explain this, guys. This is this validates whether you have given an input or not. It's not about a valid or not. It will just check whether note has some value or not. You got my point? If it is empty, it will execute else loop. If it's not empty, it will execute the first loop. Are you clear?
So we can also verify the same using the dollar hash operator, right?
Yes, of course. Dollar hash. Dollar hash is nothing but length of the input, right? It's nothing but length of the input. If the length of the input is 0, it's going to fail. It's going to go to else loop. That's how. Even you can use, this thing. I said, right? Dollar question mark. You can use exist status also. You can use some word count of input. If the word count of input is 0, you can write. So this is how. So is everyone clear? Or you want me to compile it and show? What about others? Raj?
Compile it and show. Sir.
Okay.
Yes, bro.
Are you clear about this command, about this program?
No, brother. This is first class.
Oh, okay, Raj. Welcome to the class. Then. So you're too late. It's been half this course is completed.
No, I don't have any problem.
Okay, cool. Are you familiar with shell scripting?
No, actually, I done Linus commands, but I
Okay.
trying to learn from this scripting.
Oh, okay, no problem. So let's create a file validator. Let's say file notes.sh. It's a valid name, right? Notes.sh. My example is nothing but to save notes, right? I want to save the notes in a text. So with respect to date, you got it. With respect to date, I want to store the notes in a file in bash. What is this, Rajesh? Rajesh? This is called this thing shebang line. You need to start your script with shebang line. Okay. So after storing after writing, let's say we can retrieve the date by using a date variable. Let me show you. If you do date normally, I think, see, you're getting the value, right? This gives you the date. So I'm using the same command and storing it in a variable. Okay. So how can we comment a line in a shell script? This is how, yeah, we use this hash. So let's give some text like I am variable to store date. Okay, I am storing the date value You can run any command in this dollar single brackets, guys. Let me show you. So let's say dollar single brackets date. It'll throw error because let's say I want to store this value in x. X is equal to dollar single value x. So we tried with this option, right? This I know I don't even now I don't know the name of it, but
Execution.
execution for execution we can use this, right? Similarly, you can use dollar single brackets, guys. Are you clear? Let me do one thing. Let me execute ls command, dollar brackets, and give ls and enter. So if I echo x, dollar x, see, I got a list of files, right? Are you clear? You can execute any command with dollar small brackets. So similarly, I'm storing that value in date symbol in my script. After that, after storing, I want to create a file uh, of, let's say, what was the next step we tried? Okay, he took a input from a user. Let's say which subject notes you want to write. Let's say which subject notes. So subject is equal to $1. Okay, this is my input to my script. After giving the subject name, I want to create a file name with the subject and time. Okay, how can I create a file with subject name and date? Okay, we can how can you create a file, guys? What was the command? Wait, wait. Okay, Srikant, what do you,
Touch command.
yeah. So okay, touch. You can use touch, and I want to save it in my home directory. I can use the symbol to store in home directory, and let's say my file name should be uh, subject. How can you use a value in a variable? How can I refer to value in a variable? Anyone?
dollar.
$1 using dollar.
Yeah, dollar, flower brackets, and subject name. Subject is my variable, and I want to append date also. So I'll use dollar mark date and give dot txt. So I am creating a file name with subject and date. Very clear? So after creation, I want to prompt user with please enter the text. Please enter the text. Let's say how can we prompt? What is the command for prompting a user? I just explained you. What is the command?
Read hyphen p.
Read minus read hyphen.
Hyphen P.
Yeah. Read hyphen p, and let's say give the same text. Please enter the note. I'll call that note. Notes. And give the variable like notes. Okay, I'm storing the value in notes. So here he used the if loop to validate whether whether we are giving user is giving notes or not, user is giving input or not. So I am just checking whether note has a value or not. Okay, I'm just checking notes has a value or not. If note has some value, so how we can, what is the basic syntax of if? Srikant, what is the basic syntax of if?
If uncam,
You'll not give comma,
it's semicolon,
semicolon, semicolon, then
semicolon, then
okay.
statement.
So what is the statement? If note exists, what we want to do? We want to save this notes in that file, right? So how can we redirect text into a file?
Redirecting operator greater than symbol.
Yeah. So before that, try to use this brackets. So what happened? I am into insert mode. Or, yeah. Give me one second. Yeah. Try to use braces, guys. Okay. Every time use braces and enter. So you can use redirecting symbol, right? I want to redirect value in note to my file. So I'm giving notes into this file, right? This is my file which I created. So else, if user didn't give any input, um, I just want to prompt him with a message. Let's say, so please provide input and done. No, sorry. How can you close if loop?
F5.
F5. That's it. Is everyone clear what we just did? So this way, you just practice in this way. Whatever you are trying to do, have a note like in a commented line. Have a note. Let's say I want to create file. I just gave a note. Let's say I want to validate. In here, we can write. Before starting if loop. I can. What is the purpose of this if loop?
To check whether you have given input or not.
Yeah, to validate the user input. So try to practice in this way. Okay, give the note and do whatever script you want. Okay, so let's execute this. So Srikant, what is the next? What is the? How can you execute? How can you execute the script?
Dot forward slash.
No, after saving the file, what you will do?
Dot forward slash file name.
No, permissions.
The
You forget
permissions.
permissions.
Permission. Okay. CH mode. CH mode.
See, you should not forget this, guys. We are okay. Change the permissions and then give the. So let's do in debug mode. How we can do, Srikant? How we can do with the debug mode? I just explained you. Sorry. Yeah. Debug mode. Are you attentive or not? What happened?
Yes, sir, I'm attentive. Actually, I got a problem with the audio. That's why I went into the phone mode. That's why.
Is everyone facing the same issue? Is it breaking?
No.
No.
Okay, no problem. So there is a debug mode, you can use -x bash
-x
-x and give note, let's say note. See, I am entering the my first shell script. Okay, see, it just created it should, oh no, no, it will not create. Why? Because tell me what mistake I did. Anyone? What mistake I did after seeing this syntax? What mistake I did? Anyone? No one can tell. See,
After you give
subject is equal to, I need to give some value, right? I didn't give any subject name before execution. You can see an empty value, right, in this. Are you clear? So, let me show you. Before execution, I need to pass my subject name here, like as a $1, right? We are validating $1 also. $1 is subject name. Okay, SCIENC. Okay, let's do. See, now subject has some value, and let me create some text. What was that? Okay, let me give us some text. Save it. See, if I do cd and ls, how can we list all the text files?
find
ls,
file name,
ls
find dot hyphen name double quote start.txt.
Okay, that is one option. We have a simple command. We can use ls.
ls
How can we do with
ls
ls?
hyphen altr,
Okay.
piping it to
Yeah.
grep.txt.
No, we tried one more thing. That is also one
ls,
option. One option. You can use just ls dot txt, star.txt.
but
Oh,
okay.
what happened? No such file. Oh, let me give quotes. What happened? Okay, let's do grep then. Should work, but I don't see any. I don't have any txt files. I don't have any txt files. That's why it's failing. I don't have any txt files. So pwd. Okay, this is my directory. What happened? Let me copy and let me go to the script. cd. How can you open script in a directory? Can you open directly with like this? Let's say flash notes. If you know the name, what happened? Examples. So in this script, what I have the subject name. I want to touch it in, let's say, instead of this, I'll give you an absolute path. Insert what is absolute path and the relative path?
Absolute path starts with forward slash. Relative path starts with the dot dot. Wherever we want to go, we can give with the dot dots.
Yeah. So this is the absolute path where I want to save this script. Okay. So I saved it. Let me execute once again. How can you execute? Bash -x examples notes.sh, and I'll give the input, let's say math, enter, and what else? Let's say math, enter, and let me give some input. Oh, something is happening in 24th line. Yeah, let me replace this also. Let me replace this also. Is it creating? No, no txt file. It should create. See, it just created some 17. Let's open this. 20. No. So it's you can understand, right? See, it is breaking. It has some spaces between this is time and this is a month. We let's give a simple name rather than date. We need to format it actually. Rather than date, let me give some value. It is having some spaces, right? That's why it's failing. So my date is something like some numbers, and it should add to my file name. Okay, let me execute that. My note. What happening? I entered the note. Oh, something is messing up. Let me let's. Did I get the txt file? This guy. No txt file. What's happening? Anyone can debug this? We are entering the note, and it is taking the value of note and validating, right? It is validating, and then it is pushing to. It should it should push this. It should append this to math dot math triple one dot txt. Do we have math? Yeah, we have math, but where is our text? Our text is missing, guys. What is the reason? Anyone? Any guess? Let's use a double quotes. We have some spaces, right? We can have some spaces in text. So better to use double quotes. I said right, to store any variables, better to use double quotes. So let's do once again execution. Some text, and let me open a file. Okay. It should. Why it's not having the file value? So it is command not found. We are trying to execute this or what? Why this command not found is coming? 27 line. There you can set numbers of numbers in a VI by using set number. Okay, set number will give you the this thing. It will set the numbers to a file. So let's indent else like indentation doesn't matter in if loop. Indentation doesn't matter. We have if condition, and oh, I got it. I got it. It's a David, right? Let's keep it in this thing. You got it. Let's keep these also have some variable names, right? Let's keep it in double quotes. let's not it, let's keep everything which has some variables in double quotes and try now. If else fi, okay. Let me remove the white spaces between loops. So now you understood, right, where exactly you are facing problem. Here in debug mode only you can get this message, like in line 24 you are having some error. You can use this debug mode in that way. So no such file or directory. Okay. Let me add some note. Save. Still it is failing. So where exactly I'm firing up. See. Oh, okay. You got it? You got it, guys? Anyone? Anyone? See how you can use this? Can you send any text directly? You need to use echo command, right?
Yes.
You understood where we are failing? Everyone.
Yes.
See here we are missing echo statement. I'm just echoing the text. Okay, this is how it is throwing appropriately, right? It is saying that in 30 to 23 line, no command as such your text. So this is how you can use debug mode. Okay, so let me enter some note. It should add it in text. So now see, each and every execution is successful. Let me open the file. See, here I am able to save the text also. I am able to create the file. I am able to save the file and name the file and everything. So is everyone clear? What is the purpose of execution? In terms of debug mode, how you can use when you should use double quotes. When you should use double quotes, if you have any variables involved, try to use double quotes, and if you have any variables, use dollar and variable flower bracket. So these are the basics, guys. If you are strong with this, you know you will be you can uh, have a good experience with shell scripting. So debug mode you understood. So Vamshi, sorry. Vamshi, are you clear with the program? No, Vishnu. I'm missing Vishnu, I believe. Okay. So everyone, they're okay with the script, right? So you should able to write any script. And if I ask you to write a script, you should able to write. Okay. So
Sir, I have a question.
yeah.
Sign on. How can we set the numbers in the in the VI editor, sir? Is it colon set number?
Yeah, you need to have space. After set, you need to have space. Colon set space num. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Colon set number.
Right.
This is how you can set. Okay. So let's move ahead, guys. So who want to volunteer? I want to explain other concepts. Who want to volunteer? I'll make you write script.
Right.
Who is this? Hello? Hi, Sainath, are you?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yeah, I will do, sir. No. Yeah.
Did you do yesterday, last class? Who did last class?
No, I don't know. Like I did 2 days back.
Okay. So I'm making you presenter. Yes. I heard some other's voice. I couldn't get him. Who is that? Srinivas?
It was me, sir.
Oh, Srinivas. I think you got the opportunity last time.
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So let's give Srinath, Sainath, sorry. Let's make him presenter. And let's try one other concept. And if we- Uh, okay. Mm. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Welcome. Uh, okay. Before Sainath, before I just want to show a slide and I'll give you back the control. I will just show you slide.
Yeah, sure.
Krishna Chaitanya Kurnala. I need to make myself presenter. How can I? Can you make me presenter?
Yeah, give me a moment.
I think you should click on my names, like Krishna Chaitanya.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I got it.
I did just now. Yeah.
So I want to explain this, guys. There is exit status. I said, right? It would be, we can call it. This is nothing but a written code. Let's say one command. If you run a command, it is a valid command. Then it will return return 0. If not, it will return any value between 1 to 252. You can use this return status in validating your scripts. Let's say, how can I say? mm, you ran a particular loop. After running the loop, if that loop is successful only, do something. So we can use exit 0, exit, let's say you can get the exit value by using a dollar question mark. By using dollar question mark, you can get the exit status of previous command or last step. Okay, you can use the exit status in your script and validate inputs or validate previous command, previous loops. So let's try to let me try to show you an example. So Sainath, I'm making you a presenter. Uh, please open.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Can you hear me, sir?
yeah, it's clear.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
open the VI. It's little slow. What's happening? Yeah,
Is it clear, sir?
yeah, it's clear now. Just
Yeah,
open.
I opened the. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
open a file. shell script. Enter.
Okay.
So open the shebang line, right? Shebang line and you know, and yeah, right,
Yeah.
shebang line. Enter. So
Okay.
before that, save it and exit, exit once. Save it and come out of it. So run some valid command. Let's say echo space dollar capital home.
Yeah.
Echo dollar capital home. A dollar do capital letters
Echo
home.
dollar.
Home. Capital letter home. Yeah, enter.
Okay. Enter.
Yeah. See, it gave you the home of your user, right? This is a system variable. You'll have system variables like home, let's say path, let's say how can you what else? You can write any alias variables. You can create shortcuts. Use echo space dollar Java dollar capital
Caps.
yeah, Java underscore home,
Right.
yeah, underscore
Okay.
home. Yeah, these are some system variables with capital home. Every system variable will be in capital letters. That's why I said, right, your Java home is not set, so you're not getting. But if you have Java installed, you need to
Yeah.
set the Java home. Even in Windows system, you'll set the path, right? Java executable path. Similarly, you need to set Java path in Linux. If you set the Java path, you will get
Oh,
the value here.
okay.
So do echo dollar path, dollar capital path, echo space dollar capital path,
Dollar.
yeah, enter. See, you got all the path variables that you got the bin path or else sbin path kind of thing. Your path variable, you need to set path when you are installing Java in your machine or any particular software. You'll use this system variables. Okay, forget about it.
Okay.
So now your previous command is successful, right? Your previous command is successful. Echo dollar path is successful and it throws some output, right? So
Yeah.
if you want to see the exit status of the previous command, do echo no. Do echo space dollar question mark enter. See, your previous command is successful. That's why it throwed exit status as 0. If not, let's say do some random text. Do random text. Just just enter ABCD. Enter. Enter. It's not a valid command, right?
Yes.
The Linux will understand based on the exit status of your script or your command. So here exit status would be some value. Do see it throws some value, right? It will throw any random value
Yeah. Yeah.
between
Right.
1 to 255. 1 to 255 you will get the random variable. So this is how you can use dollar question mark to get the exit status. So
Execution status.
yeah, exit status. So mm, so did we gone through like options how to write an expression hyphen e? What is the option for hyphen e in expression? Let's say double square bracket hyphen e hyphen d hyphen f. We gone through those.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
F&D for
yes.
directory.
Yes. Like
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hyphen
derivative.
F for
Without
file,
the-
E for exist or not.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Right from there.
Cool. Cool. So you just need to remember that you need to have spaces. Okay. After square brackets, you need to have spaces between starting and ending of the line. Let's say hyphen E file name. You should have spaces between starting and ending of the line. So just remember that, or else your condition will fail. So
Yeah.
uh, I'm right now. Let's you know how to write a if loop. So let me elaborate that experience with uh, you know some a simple script. Let's say uh, I'm fed up with creating script every time, man. I just want to I just want a script which can create uh, a file and add shebang line to my script. Are you got my example? I don't want to create every time .sh file and adding the shebang line to the script. Uh, I want to I want to write a script which can do that. Are you clear?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how can we do? Open a script file and let's open a script. So in here, first let's try to validate whether user is giving a proper input or not. How can we validate?
That-
Just tell me
Okay.
in a simple words. Let's make it as a script. How you can
Mhm.
validate?
that manifest
So
that
like if like $1
Yeah,
like
exactly. $1 have the first argument, right? If
yes.
$1 value is null, it's going to be
Mhm.
it's not a valid input. So just open a if loop. No, don't give any variable. Just
Yes.
open if loop. If
If
condition, how you will open a condition? Yeah, that's it.
mhm.
And just give the $1. Okay, we tried. Yeah,
Mhm.
close it.
Yeah.
We tried this, right? We tried this in previous script. Let's try this opposite way. We have a exclamatory mark, right? This is
Mhm.
nothing but
Yeah.
or statement. Okay, if a file doesn't exist, it's opposite to the exit. You got my point? If you use exclamatory mark, you give space also. It is opposite to the file value. Let's say. Let's
Okay.
say.
Like if file doesn't exist, like if the variable doesn't exist, it gives the true statement, right?
Yes, exactly. So here we no need to write else statement. We can just write throw the error. You got my point? Instead of writing
Mhm.
else and throwing the error, I'm just giving a one statement which checks whether input is null. It will throw this message. Give echo. You didn't enter any. No, please enter a valid file name or something. Is everyone clear what is that exclamatory and $1? If $1 doesn't have any value, it will throw the error. Throw this error. Is everyone clear?
sir.
Hello, is everyone clear, guys?
Yes.
I'm
Yes, sir.
Yes.
so
Yes, sir.
it's like a not. No, you no need else statement, guys. My friend, we are just validating if it will throw
Okay.
the error. That's it.
Okay. Yeah.
No
Yeah.
need any else
Mhm.
statement.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So come out of the loop.
Mhm.
So after that, we know the file name now. Okay. how can we create a file?
So like don't we need to give the permissions now?
No. How can we create a file?
Like
Open script.
touch.
We are not we're not done with script, man. Open the script.
Okay.
After this loop, come out. Yeah, I want to create a file. Just now we created. Yeah, touch. Let's say use the system variable. I just explained you home $home, right? What is the purpose of $home?
Like it gives the system variable. Like
No, it's your home path. It's your home. Let's say Sainath. Your home path is nothing but /home/Sainath, right? It will give that value. So I want to create a file in your home path. You can use $home variable. So so do dollar flower brackets home, capital home. Hello, Sainath. Hello, hello.
The net connectivity problem, sir.
Oh,
We are both at the same location.
okay.
I
Hello,
am on
Sainath.
phone call. That's why I could answer it.
Okay, let me show you the example.
Screen got stuck. Okay, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Shift to your mode.
So let me make myself presenter. I'll show. I have this example already as a presentation. I'll show you. See here. Hello. Is everyone able to see my script?
yes.
Yes, sir.
So in here, I'm validating the input, and I'm what we are trying to do is different, but this script is totally different. So we are trying to create a new file, right? We will create a new file in home directory. So let me try. Is anyone wants to try? This script is different, but we can use this syntax to validate. I want to show you how you can validate mm, your inputs and use for loop. So who want to volunteer, guys? Let me know. China, are you? Shall I try once again? Hello. No, he's not. I can't hear him. So, Srinivas, are you? Let's try with your system. This example is totally different. Hello, who is this? Okay, let's try in Srinivas system. So, okay. So create a file, create a shell script, add a bash, shebang line, and so before creating that, add some note by giving this thing hash. So what is our aim? To create a shell script and add shebang line to the file.
Yeah.
On based on user input. Let's say uh, user had entered. User will enter the file name. We will create that file. I'm getting resound. Who is this? Can you, other guys? Can you mute yourself? Caller one. Who is this? Let me mute you. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. So I want to validate user input and create a file. Okay, so we use the syntax I just explained, like how to validate user input. Yeah, you need to have space. After exclamatory mark, you need to have space. Yeah, yeah. So here, let's say echo. Please enter a valid input. Enter fi. Fi. So we are validating the input. After validating input, if we have the if we have the file name, we are going to create that file in home directory. So here we are trying to use one of the system variable. So let's how you will create a file. What is the yeah? So here touch dollar flower bracket and give capital home slash and $1, let's say $1.sh. What is the best practice? I said right. Use yeah, yeah. And what else? What else I said? If you have any variables, use that double quotations, right? Do that. Yeah. Entire line you should have a double quotation. Starting to the end. Yeah. Use a side. Use arrows. You can't use a hello.
Sir, yeah, hello. Sir, in one of the example where I was trying, I got an error when I gave double quotes to the total expression.
Okay. Just give it and let's try if you're getting a error. Use double quotes. Till then. And save it and let's execute this command. And let's execute this file. How you'll execute? Yeah. chmod. What is the file name? Yeah. Enter. See where is the see throw the error, right? No value, no input. Enter into the value. If you do ls, you should have a random file name file, right? You had a random file.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is our next goal? To add a shebang line to the file, right?
Yes, sir.
So how you can add? We can redirect some text to a file, right?
Yes, sir.
So try executing that.
Once we have created, now we are redirecting a line, right?
Yeah. How you can redirect?
Yes, sir. I can do it.
So before redirecting, I want to check whether file exists or not, guys.
Yes.
If that file name already exists, I want to throw error. How we can do? How can we validate? Yes, exactly. Exactly. Yeah. And is everyone in same phase? Is everyone understanding what he is doing? Mohan Reddy. Raj, are you able to understand?
Yes,
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Raj, he's not answering.
yes, bro.
Are you able to understand this? What he's doing? Okay. Why you are not responding? I couldn't hear a word from you. You can stop me if you any moment if you are getting any doubt. Let me know. Okay. So don't you should close the loop, right? Yeah. See,
Okay.
your file exists. So open the script once again. So let's say if the file doesn't exist, I want to create. How you will do that? If the file doesn't exist, in that loop only you can write else statement, right? Yeah. Yeah. If that file doesn't exist, copy the touch command. Yeah. Yeah, touch it. You know, instead of using every time this thing like dollar home $1, you can store that in a file in a variable, right? In place of touch in the fifth line, in place of touch, have some variable. Go up, go up, go to up. Yeah, there. Remove the touch command. Remove touch and just give some file equal to and remove that space also. Yeah. Okay. In condition also use the variable name. In condition, if condition, go to if condition. Yeah. Remove that entire thing. Remove that entire thing, and instead of that, you can use the variable name, right? Use the
Yes.
dollar. Yeah. Dollar file name. Dollar. You understood the importance of variable now? Srikant, close the door. Close, Seva. Door close, Seva. Okay. So even in touch also remove that and add the variable. Okay. Save it. If the file doesn't exist, you are creating the file. Now what you understood, how you can use variables multiple times and how you can validate whether file exists or not, and how could you validate the input of a user. All these things are covered in script, guys. So if I ask you to write any script, you should start with this first loop, like validating the inputs only. Then only you should do whatever things. That is the best practice. Srinivas, you are understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Just validate the inputs, then only do whatever thing you in your script. So practice this in each and every script. Whatever script you write, practice this approach. Okay, it is throwing file exists. Give some other name. Yeah, and create. So give some other name. Yeah, it should create now. Let's say give some random name. Let's say science.sh. Enter. See, it just gave you the shell script. So after creating shell script, I want to append the let's say not append. I want to write the first line as a shebang line. So open at. See, after touching it, you can write it in that loop itself. Don't do it in outside. After touching, you can redirect the output, right? You got my point? Yeah. So just enter.
You mean do you want me to write in the same line or the new line?
New line, yeah. Here, echo some text, let's say echo double quotes and give the shebang line. No, hash. I could start with hash.
Yeah.
And redirect. Yeah. Give the file name. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Okay. Save it and run it. Enter. So if you open the file, do you think we have the text? We have the shebang line? No, it will not have. Open the file now. Science.sh. Not this. Escape. Come out of it. Open science.sh.
Oh.
BI science.sh.
I'm just checking if sound is
VI SC tab. See why? Because that loop has been exited, right? We already have this file. How we should how we can add this? We can't add. So what is the another way? How can we, let's say, validate? How can we do this? How can we do this? Any guess? Guys, any guess? Let's write another loop. Or else, let's write, remove that, not remove, copy that line and paste it in, after the loop.
you have to comment it here.
Yeah, delete it. Double D, do double D. Yeah. After the if fi, so here after creation, I want to add this string, right? So no, I don't want to do directly. I want to validate whether whether that file has some content or not. If not, it will fail, right? That file should not have any content. I should add the shebang line in the top of the line. You got my point? So how can we validate that? How can we validate whether file is empty or not?
Word count.
Yes, let's do that word count.
Or else can we use Z?
Z?
Z.
Z also, Z is, okay. Let's try with Z, my friend. It should say, let's try with Z.
Z?
Yeah, -Z. -Z and give the file name. Let's say -C. We should have space.
Yes.
And give the space and give the quotes and give the file name. Yeah. $. Yeah. $. Give the variable name. That variable will be same, right? Throughout the script. So where is $? $. Yeah. And you should be fast. Yeah. $. and give the space and give the double bracket, double space. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. So if that is empty only, we are trying to no. You already have the statement, right? No need to write. You already
Okay.
have the statement. So remove that.
Sir, a small doubt.
Okay.
This one. Instead of writing this much big large code,
Mm-hmm.
this if condition we are testing if there is a file.
Okay.
Then we are saying that it's a file exists.
Okay.
Instead of writing here single condition,
Uh-huh.
we can write if this file exists and this
Yeah.
file is empty.
Yeah, that's also other option. We can use a double and symbol and we can do. Let's try this. We will learn those options also. Let's try this first.
Okay.
You're correct, my friend. You're absolutely correct. But I want to separate the things like validate it,
Yeah, okay.
check the input, and all that.
Yeah, okay. Okay, sir.
So end the loop. That's it, right? If that empty, if that file is empty only, I want to add this line. So end the loop. How you'll end?
It works.
Yeah, you need to end it. Come to new line. Yeah, F5. Save it and execute. F5. Yeah. Enter. Enter. No. Use the signs only. Use signs only. Yeah. Enter. No SH. We are adding SH. Array.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Enter. So try to open the file now. Open the file. VI or cat or something. Yeah. See, Z is not working, my friend. I think Z is not working. So Z is opposite to E, I believe, but what exactly Z gives, if that file doesn't exist, it will give, if that file is empty, I don't think it's going to check it whether it's empty or not. You got my point? It's not going to check whether inside the file you have content.
It's a fact and inside the file it might.
Yeah, it will not check the content. So let's try the word count, my friend. Open that. Open the script. No, not this. No, yeah, cool. So here, I just told you, right? How can we execute a command? I taught you a simple syntax. I gave you dollar small bracket, single bracket. Let's try that. Dollar single brackets and give word count dollar single bracket. Yeah.
You mean this parenthesis?
No, not. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah. Here, you just do word count WC. Yeah. End that. No. Okay. Give whatever. Yeah, that would be fine. Yeah. End this after file. Close the bracket. After file, close the bracket. After file. Yeah. You got it? So I am trying to execute this command and you should give me some value or else it's going to fail, right? So let's try this. Before executing it, right? Yeah, right. No, execute it. I was trying to give you one more example, but execute it first. Yeah, enter. See, it echoed the file. You got it? We are able to do. Open the file name. Open file. See, we have the content. So we are able to validate whether file has some value or not. we are adding the string to the file also. So if I ask you to write the same script tomorrow, you should able to do, everyone. Guys, I'll not help you guys if Chaitanya comes and give some quiz or something. You should be prepared. Okay, hello, are you clear? I'm taking a lot of time and I'm explaining
Yes.
each and every line, so you should be strong enough in basics. Then only you can you know you can flourish it. You can improve the shell scripting skill. So here we are validating, we are running some commands and everything. We are using hyphen e option, and we are checking whether it is empty and all. So let me ask someone to explain. Raj, he's not at all responding. Hello, Raj. Okay, let me speak with him later. So whom shall I ask? Hello, Raj. Can you hear me?
Yes, bro. Yeah.
So can you explain what exactly he did right now? What is this script is doing? Are you attentive? Are you facing any issue? Are you not able to understand my explanation? What happened, my friend? Uh, Hello.
Yes, bro.
Tell bro, are you able to understand what I'm saying? Can you explain this script once again? Okay. It's your first class, right? Maybe your from tomorrow you should able to write this script. Okay,
Okay,
practice
bro.
this.
I think it's the
Practice
first class I
this.
done.
Okay. So whom shall I ask? Vinay, can you explain this script once? What is the first loop?
Mm,
What the first loop is doing?
he's creating a file
Is
and he's checking whether what's that?
no. What is the first loop is doing? Give me the answer. What is the first loop? Yeah, that one.
That is a regular one. I mean, like, uh, f- that is a regular statement, sir. It checks, it gives an standard one.
What standard? Okay, now give me the second loop explanation. What is the second loop is doing?
It is, if in the file, then yes. Yeah, it is checking whether the file is empty or not. If the file is empty in the home directory, then it says the file exists. If it exists, it says the file is exist. Otherwise, uh, it touches the file.
What is touch?
It's a new create file.
Okay.
It's a new created file inside
What
VI.
is the third loop?
If then I go back. Okay, this writes a file. Uh, it read and writes the file in a created new file.
Okay, you understood very less. You captured very less amount of my explanation.
But
Understand
I'll
what?
do it, sir. I mean, like,
So you should not be like this, man. You should be attentive in class and you know uh, see. Sainath, can you explain this, please? Just give me two very short answer. Yeah. What does this file do? This script do?
So
Yeah.
if the file doesn't exist, then it creates a file, and then it gives the it prints the shibam line into the file.
what does the WC hyphen W, what is it doing?
So word count. If there is no if there is no content in the file, then
Yeah, you
it
should check.
gets it and then gives it.
Yeah, it will check the
Yeah.
content. If the file doesn't have any content, it is going to add
Yeah.
timeline.
Yes.
So Vinay, get prepared. You should prepare about all these concepts. If I don't think if I ask you a question in comments also, you will not answer. Can you explain me find command? What is the syntax
sir.
to find? Yeah, tell me.
Find hyphen type.
Gone. There is
No, sir, wait, I'll tell, sir. Yeah. Find, if you want to find a text file, find and the file name with star.txt. If you want to find the directory, find hyphen D.
it's a blender.
Find type.
Okay.
Find type hyphen D, sir.
So Srinivas, give an
Find
example.
dot type hyphen D.
Yeah, give an example, my friend. See, he will give you an example. Just find the text file in your directory using find command. Come out of this script. Yeah. See, what is this dot do, Vinay? He's giving dot. What does this dot do? What do you mean by dot? Your name?
It's a type directory, sir. It's
No,
a type.
it's a present directory. You need to
Current
specify
directory.
path where you want to search. Got it? You want to
Yeah.
should specify the path. After find, you need to specify the path, and then you should use the options that are available. Whatever options, let's say name or let's say type, whatever it is. So you should make sure you should specify the path, what you want to search. Okay?
Yeah. Yes.
No, when you are not up to the mark, you need to prepare those commands also, guys. So suddenly he will come and he'll give you exam. He'll keep some exam and he will validate you guys. Be prepared, okay? Okay, cool. So am I going slow, or even if I'm going slow also, you guys are not, up to the mark, guys. Okay. So we understood the how to write a script and if loop. We are strong with if loop also, right now, everyone. So we learned how to use dollar question mark. So right, what is dollar hash? What does dollar hash give?
It gives the total count. I mean, if we have,
Pardon?
it stores the count.
Count?
If suppose we have given some valid input from command line, it stores it in
It will
$hash.
Or else total arguments passed in the script.
Yes, exactly. It will give you the number of arguments. Okay. So we are good with dollar hash and dollar question mark. There is another, instead of using dollar hash, there is another option, guys. It is dollar flower bracket hash and the variable. Let's say, how can I show it? Let's store a string, guys. Let's say give a variable and store a string some equal to your name or something. Give give some name. Yeah. So if you want to use the length of this string, you can use a special character, guys. So echo and do dollar flower bracket hash x. X is nothing but our variable name, right? Give x and close it and close the parenthesis. Yeah, enter. See, You understood? If you want the length of the string, length of the argument, you can use dollar flower bracket hash the variable name. Is everyone clear? We learned how to use dollar question mark, dollar hash, and you should, you can also use this option to get the length of string. Okay. So we are good with all the special characters, and I said right, we can't use equal to, greater than, less than symbol in conditions. Guys,
Yes.
what? If, just write a condition, my friend. Just write a condition.
Yes.
Yes.
Remove that string. Yeah. And how you'll start a condition?
Do you want me to write an if loop or
No.
general?
Just a general expression like double square brackets, open double square bracket. No, not that one. No, give double square bracket. Square bracket.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah. This is nothing but your condition, right? In here you can write a condition and validate it. So I can compare two strings by using simple equal to, greater than, or less than symbol. So how what I was trying to explain is, so use double quotes and have a string, double quotes, give some string, and equal to space, give same string. So and close it and use the sequential programming and echo some message. What is the sequential programming method? If this is true, then you can use a double and echo it's true. Echo it's true. Enter. See, you understood what I'm trying to say? If that strings are same, you can compare by using equal to symbol, guys. So only when you are comparing strings, you can use this equal to symbol. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Sorry, it's double equal or single equal?
single equal to single equal. Okay. What if you want to compare numbers? What you'll use? Numbers.
Number
Yeah.
hyphen EQ.
Yeah. Do that.
Yeah. Do you want me
Yeah.
to do in the
Yeah.
same one or?
Yeah. Same thing. You just do same thing. Do up arrow and remove the strings and compare two numbers and echo it. Remove the strings. Yeah. Just do 100 equal to 100 something number. Not equal to. No. You can't do equal to symbol here. I said right just now.
Yes.
It's only
And
for
then
string. Whereas in number you need to use the hyphen equal to. Yeah. And give 12. Enter. Enter. Yeah. You got it? You should use these special characters when you are dealing with numbers. Okay. So I just want to say that you can use equal to symbol when you are dealing with this thing, let's say strings. Okay. And how can you get the length of a string? Wait, Vinay, how can you get the length of the string?
Echo
Okay.
dollar
Uh-huh.
open flower brackets hash and the name of that.
Cool.
The name of the creator.
Cool. Okay. So we covered this topic. So what else we can try? Let's try for loop, guys. For loop. Let's try for loop. So open a script. Let's say open a script. Open a new file like for .sh. Yeah. Let's So I'll give you a small and simple example. So give for a in 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. Give some values. Yeah. Enter. No, not enter. Do this thing. Semicolon or what is this? Yeah. Do. Yeah. This is the syntax. And echo $a. $a. Done. Did I discuss the for loop with you guys? No? Okay, save it.
Yes, sir. You have discussed.
Oh, I did. Okay. Save it and execute. We discussed for loop. So we need to have a good example with for loop, right?
Or do we have case statements in shell scripting?
Yeah, we have it. We have case. Case is very powerful, man. Case
Okay.
we have it. So we are done. We are able to write this, right? Similarly, write in C syntax, like C syntax. Try to do that.
Sir, one question.
What is that?
Okay. So it's like so if he exits this, so the question is, so when we are comparing the two strings or two numbers,
okay,
so for me it is executing like if we don't do the like inside the condition state, inside the condition, so like I compare 12 is equal to 12, so like if I haven't gave the 12, like I haven't gave the space after the 12, and I directly like, so when I did something like when we are assigning the numbers like to the variable,
no, you should have space.
But it's giving the output, the same output.
So best practice is you should have the spaces. Okay. When you are writing,
so it doesn't consider it as assigning inside the condition.
No. It will just compare it. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. So do it in syntax. Yeah. So Vinay, what is trying to do?
Is in the.
Can you explain what is
for loop?
Okay.
For loop.
In for loop, what is doing? Do escape. Yeah. Okay. So what is trying to do? Oh, what is happening? Yes.
He is trying to initiate a is equal to 0.
Okay.
I mean, and for the condition a less than or equal to 10.
Okay.
And will augment a plus plus.
A plus.
And,
so what does this do? Or this command do? This condition.
It prints, if condition is true, it prints until 9.
Yeah, exactly. So just execute this. See, we have less than or equal to, right? So you should print 10 also.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Cool. So we are done with for. Are we done with while and until?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So give me 1 second, guys. I was trying to get a slide. Show you variables. Variables we tried. So, let's try break and continue statements. Okay. Did you guys ever use the break?
Yes.
So just give a guess. What does break and continue do?
So break, we use the break statement inside the loops to break the loop.
Yeah, exactly.
Whenever a command is executing multiple times, at some point of time we need to break at particular value, and then if you want to continue for a break of some period, then we need break, and after that we have to use continue to continue the command, execution of command.
Okay, cool. So Can we try any example? Give some example case for break. Let's say
Here while executing, like after echo, we can write like the break.
cool. So instead of that, let's do a valid let's try while loop, and let's iterate while until 10, and let's break the loop when a value becomes keep for loop only, do undo, escape 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 do
Not
escape
you.
yeah, you saved the content and exited or what?
No, sir. I just deleted the content by using delete
It,
because you
so
said
do
break.
escape colon q exclamatory mark, escape colon q exclamatory mark, yeah, enter. So try to open file once again. You have the file, right? So
Yes.
let's try to use a break statement in this same script, guys. I want to come out of the loop when my a value becomes 9. How can we write? Any guess?
Yes.
Cool. That's it. I'm expecting that. Then break. So you better do after echo. So copy those two lines, or else copy echo statement and place it before if. Yeah.
You want me to place before it?
Before if. Yeah. Before if. Yeah. I want to check whether after it becomes 9 only, I want to come out of the loop.
Yes.
So end the loop where you ended the if loop. You didn't end the if loop. Delete that line. Escape dd. Escape. Yeah. Delete echo statement. Yeah. Cool. Save it. Run this command. Yeah. See? Are you clear? Hello?
Yes.
Sure. Yes, sir.
So let's try with 2 or so, for 6 or something. It will be more descriptive. Let's give 7 number equal to 7. So when it becomes 7, so remove is 9 and gives. Let's try to use sequential programming here. Open the file. How can we write without if loop? If loop, we can write a condition and then break, right? How can we write? I just explained you how can you make use of expression in single line. Remove the if loop. Remove if.
Using
Yeah.
ampersand
After this condition, do ampersand and do ampersand and delete then and all. Delete all this. Escape td. Delete that colon. Yeah. Bring back. Bring break before. Yeah.
I would delete it.
Yeah, like that. So remove that line. So I'm just checking the condition and breaking up. This should also work, right? Yeah, let's try to execute. See? Clear? Everyone, what we just do? We're just having a condition and checking and coming out of that loop. This is how you can use these expressions, condition statements. What do you say, everyone? No one. I can.
Yes.
Are you sleeping?
Yes, sir.
You have some. You want to continue the class? I have energy. I can continue till half an hour. Let's continue. Let's do one more loop. Tell me, you should be interested first, then only I can continue. Are you
Yes, sir.
okay if I continue?
Yes. Okay.
Cool, yes. So let's try continue statement, bro. Or like, any example? Uh,
The same one. It should skip the execution at 7. Let's try. Shall we try for that?
What are you saying?
I'm saying that it should skip the execution at 7.
Execution at the same. It will not skip, right? It will continue the loop. You got my point? Continue will continue the loop, right? Let's give me one more example which can serve continuous. So any guess, guys? Let's do. Yeah, even 7, even it becomes 7 also, it should continue until 10. Let's execute this. It should print all the 10 values. Save it. You can understand, right? If you do this, it will should print 10 values. See? Vinay, you understood the purpose of continue?
Oh yes, sir. Yeah.
So even that statement is passing, it is going to continue the loop. So any real world example rather than this?
Sir, in the same example, we can write like after 5 we need a break, and after 7 we should have to continue the script.
Yeah, you can write it. After
5 we need to have a break,
And I don't think
okay.
that will work because
and after 7 we can continue the
No,
same execution.
if you have break after 5, it will stop execution, right?
it will come out of the for loop.
It will come out of it. That would be not a good example. So we have a values for a certain numbers, right? So let's write a if loop. Let's write a if loop, and I want to only this output when this if condition is executed. You got my point? Let's say in if condition, I'll specify a equal to 7 and a less than 10. Do after 7 go after 7. After 7 do double and space double and space double and double and symbol space dollar a equal to 10. I just want the no equal, use the
Yes, sir.
hyphen.
I'm ready.
Sorry guys. Yeah, space hyphen eq 10 space and or else equal instead of equal, let's give less than or equal to. I just want the values between 7 and 10 only. You got my point? Okay. Do proper if loop. How you will write if loop? After condition, do semicolon and then and all those. Yeah.
Should I delete this condition?
Delete the and symbol. Yeah. Remain. Okay, no problem. We can write it. So do comma. And then enter. And here continue. Continue for only 2 values. Let's say let's give let's give 2 after continue. So it should print only 7 and 8. Okay. Continue space 2. So let's execute this. You got my so no. Even we need a echo statement, right? we know we should not have echo statement before that. We should have echo statement in this if loop. Remove the echo $a and give echo statement after if loop. If after if line. Yeah, there. So remove that if remove that else. Yeah. Save it. So before saving, everyone are understanding what I'm doing. I just want values which are less, which are between 7 and 10, and I just want to repeat the loop for 2 iterations. Let's do that. Let's try to.
Sir, the
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
So here we are giving equal to 7 and less than 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, but we want 7 to between 7 and 10, right? So
Yeah.
my
So
question is,
let's
so
do
I think
less than or equal to.
so we need to do greater than 7 and less than 10. So it's not equal to.
Okay.
That's all I'm guessing.
Let's try this and see what
Okay.
errors come. So save it and come out of it. Save it and print it. Yeah, do it. So we exactly what he said happened, right? It is only taking when it is equal to 7 only it is taking. So or else do less than or equal to LE, sorry, greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Remove equal. Save it. Array, 2 iterations it is not taking, right?
Yes.
It is printing till 10. Okay. It should work actually. Continue and we can give the number. But you understood the purpose of continue, right? Let's don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everyone should understand the purpose of continue. So continue n also should work, but it's not working. Continue for 2 iterations should work. So what else you can discuss? We are done with continue statement, if statement, and for loop, while, and this thing. So break also done, right? Continue and break. So let me see what else we can discuss. So instead of and symbol, I explained, right? We can have or also. What is the or symbol?
Exclamatory mark.
Yeah,
It's
this
double
pipe, double pipes. Not that one. Double pipes.
the enter.
Yeah. So try to execute this. What will happen? Let's see. It is printing all the values. Opposite to what we did, right? You got my point. It is not at all considering the if loop and printing all the values. That's it. So we have or and operators. We are good with those. And what else? We're good with debugging and all variables. Let me see. Automatic. So let's try an array, my friend. So array means let's say you have a list of contents.
You want me to do it in a new one?
No, do it in here itself. You can have a array defined in before for loop. Go up. After shebang line, a equal to let's say a equal to do a equal to a equal to do this thing brackets, small brackets. Yeah. Yeah, and give 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. No comma. No comma.
Okay. We don't have a comma.
No comma. Okay, this way you can store an array, and let's iterate through all these values. How can we iterate? I explained you, right? What is the importance of $@ symbol? It will iterate through all the values, okay, all the inputs. So here my input is input is A, right? I want to
Yes.
iterate through each value in A. How can we do? So remove this, and let's say B in, don't use A value, B in, we can't use same variable name. B
Yes.
in, uh, mm, how can just give me, how can you try, yeah, try with $@ yeah, no, yeah, a
Now then,
and give the square brackets up, yeah, square bracket @
uh,
after a, give the square brackets, after a, square bracket @ and close the square bracket, and this thing, flower brackets also, yeah. So try to execute this. So what it took, it just took the first value or what?
Yeah.
Oh, why? What happened? Can you give a double quotes in the dollar symbol?
you want me to give here?
Yeah, here. Give double quotes. Enter and save. Try to run it. Oh, what happened? It should take the values,
I guess comma
but it
should be
is
there.
only taking the length. Why it's taking the length?
Shall we try with comma?
Comma? Okay, give a try.
Mm.
Give a try. Comma 2, comma 3. Run it. How you can? My read only variables, arrays. Is it working?
It just gave me this so this output.
Give me 1 second. Show me. Okay, it just printed the. Yeah, it worked actually. It worked.
Yes.
So instead of that, go. No, it just printed the array, I think. So how to identify this? So try to open the script and add some line. In before, after echoing the sentence, echoing the $A,
Mm.
echo some text, echo hi, something, echo some text, yeah, hi, yeah, just print it, save it, and
Sir, rather we have to look into our code. We are using 7 and 10. We have only 5 numbers.
yeah, okay, I got it. So let's run it, guys, let's run. So it's not working. Yeah.
Shall we comment it or no?
Pardon?
Shall we comment the if loop?
Yeah, comment the if loop. It should work, my friend. Why it's not working? Even, yeah, yes, run it. Okay. Try to remove commas. I don't think array have commas, and you know, let's use star instead of at the rate. One space, two space, three space. You know, I said right, star and at the rate both are same. Let's try with star also once. Remove the at the rate symbol and give the star. Enter. Exit. And done. It took only one value. Mm, give me the controls. I'll try in my machine. Let's try this and let's wind up this class. Alright.
Should I make you the presenter?
Yeah, I'll make myself. No problem.
I think echo $B should be there instead of A.
Is it echo $A? Oh, is it? We are echoing A.
Yes, sir. I think
Srikanth?
it should be B.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
let's try it once again. Show me in your laptop one second. Hello, Srikanth. I made you presenter again. I couldn't get any. I couldn't see your screen. Did Srikanth or Srinivas?
This is Srinivas, I think.
Sorry, Srinivas. Sorry, Srinivas.
Sir, actually Srikanth has some audio problem, so he can't talk right now because he's not audible.
Okay. Let's try in my laptop itself then. I'll try it
Yeah, okay.
and wind it up. I think we tried this in last class also, right? We failed, but we tried this in last class also, right? Did I?
Tried at the rate, but it didn't work out.
Yeah. Oh man, even I should learn how to do this. Right? Last.
Should I make you the presenter?
Yeah, please.
Sir, I got an output like 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, 4 high,
You
5
got
high,
it?
like that. Yeah, I got it. Like
What did you
1
do?
high. Okay, give me a
I'm
second.
making presenter. So
Cool. Yeah, can you guys see my script? Give me a
okay,
second.
we are using a at the rate only, right? Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So remove if.
Echo, we should give B.
Yeah, we didn't
Yeah,
do B.
that's what I have said. Yeah,
Okay.
so B should be A.
Okay, got it.
And also range, we should specify the range also, like
Range.
greater than to, like,
No need.
I
Remove the if
mean,
loop
yeah,
then. Remove the if loop.
yeah. Okay, let me see.
Try echoing $B only. Remove if loop or else comment it. Yeah. Comment the continue also. Uh, Save it, run it. See, we are getting.
Yeah.
No need of range. I know this is working, but I was facing some issue. So what was the issue that we did? We just used a variable. We are not using
Echo
b
A,
variable.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, try with star now. Instead of at the rate, try star. Enter. Save it. See?
Same.
You got it, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sure.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
use star also. Let's do hash. Go to inside. What does hash gives? Anyone?
Length,
Hash.
length.
Number of arguments passed.
Yeah, it should give us 7. Say it should print 7. 7 times. Oh,
Syntax
it's not. It's
operand
showing here.
expected.
Let's do. Okay. We learned one operator, right? This thing, hash in front of a. Do hash in front
Mhm.
of a. Yeah.
Oh, give me a
No,
second.
not there. In the for loop only. Do hash. Yeah, hash in front
Yeah.
of, not there. Before a. Before a.
Sorry. Yeah, got you.
Remove the square brackets also. Yeah, remove the square brackets. Let's see if it gives the length. I just
This is
want
what
the
you mean?
length. Yeah, save it.
And hi.
Okay.
Started again.
I just gave the length of B. Just what did it give? Okay.
Wait, let me code them.
No need.
I think you also need to use at the rate, sir. If
Okay.
you
Do at the rate
Yeah.
also. Yeah. It should
Before
iterate, right?
use a length
you mean so before or after?
after it.
After A,
Is it
after A, give square brackets and at the rate.
okay? Yeah, got you. Okay.
Square bracket. Run it.
Yeah. Is it fine
Run.
if I use a like the double quotes after
Yeah,
outside?
double quotes also fine. You just run it.
Okay, yeah. Yes.
Okay, you got the 7 value. Okay.
Yeah, that's one.
Well, it gave you the length, right?
Yeah.
Just gave you
Mhm.
the length. So hash will give you the length.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. We learned couple of things today. So, is everyone clear whatever I taught you today? Or you have any doubts? You should able to write for loops. You should able to use all these operators, and nowhere you can find tutorials directly with examples. You'll have limited sources for learning shell scripts. So better do after this class, better practice those things, and you'll get familiarized with all those concepts. Okay.
So can't we find small examples or like like the using the for loop, if loop, like can't we find anywhere the material like the,
Let me try, you
I
guys.
think it's in tutorial points.
Yeah, tutorial point. Yes. That is one of the.
We can find in tutorial points. Links.
We'll
There
get
is.
that in tutorial point. But better practice after the class. You should you should practice whatever I said. And
Yes.
if you have any questions, let me know, guys. Okay.
okay, so
Tutorial point also is a good source. Do a shell. Search for shell. Yeah.
You have combined like Unix and shell both
Yeah.
combined.
Execute
Tutorial points.
bash shell script online. No need of execution.
We
It will
can
give you
search
the
it
platform.
Unix.
Yeah. Unix. So even you'll have very less examples, but it is very good website, man. You can have execution also. You don't need Windows, Linux machine. You can execute shell scripts in this website, guys. You know how to use that? Anyone?
Yes.
Sir.
We have the executors also. Go up
Yes.
and
Online computer.
Yeah, there is an online platform. Try it. We can write the program and test.
yeah. You can
Coding.
yeah. This is one of the Indian guy, Hyderabadi, designed it.
Oh.
Someone in Amirpet, I would say. But it is very
Yeah.
cool, man. You can get all the IDEs, see how powerful it is. They're creating the cloud platform wherein you can execute and compile whatever language you want. That's powerful. Cool. So
Nice, sir. Yeah.
try to learn from this also, but whatever examples I gave you, just practice those and let me know, guys, if you